So here we are out in Lech with the Telegraph readers trip. This is the Hasensprung chairlift. We're going to take a run down below it. As you can see, the weather's a little bit windy, but the snow conditions are absolutely perfect. And it's in and out. Look at this. We used to call this top of the pops. Look at that, we're riding with the wind. Woo! Yeah, beautiful winter conditions, great snow. It's still absolutely fantastic out here in Austria. I think another metre of snow is forecast over the next couple of days. But look at this. Winter is definitely back in the Alps. The great place to base yourself is Lech, because you can ski right over to Vart on one side and over to St Anton on the other. So there it is. That is the Hasensprung, the rabbit's jump. Fun little blasting chair here in Lech. Perfect.